It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter what I am.
Sorry, I'm late.
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. What matters is that there's a bomb.
It doesn't matter where she is.
It doesn't matter what happens to me. We must save my family.
It doesn't matter. We own the controlling interest in the company.
That really freaks me out.
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter what the world calls me. I know who I am.
Doesn't matter. I'll make other arrangements.
Go talk to them.
What am I going to talk about?
It doesn't matter.
It's only a play, Mother. It doesn't matter.
You're working so hard.
Doesn't matter.
What do you think?
It doesn't matter what I think.
It doesn't matter what I do. I'll always be a screw-up. No one will ever respect me.
It doesn't matter where you came from. What matters is who you choose to be.
You know who I was with, don't you?
It doesn't matter to me.
I have nothing to give you, Joe.
It doesn't matter.
My hands are empty.
They're not empty.
I know your sufferings, Helen.
It doesn't matter.
How many times?
I was hungry.
Honey, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You scared me to... Look, you really worried me.
Sorry.
Doesn't matter.